Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Well with William O'Neill India. So let's begin our today's webinar with the disclaimer. So registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all the related documents carefully before investing. So we'll move on to the what happened yesterday in US and Asian market. So US market has closed higher, even Asian markets have closed higher, followed by backed by strong GDP numbers as well as China's manufacturing numbers. And European market has been trading flat with negative note. So as taking cues from Asian market, so Gift Nifty is likely to open on a flat note in today's trading session. So comes to the key news, US market ended higher for fourth consecutive session, and it has bounced back from the very crucial support level. And the US GDP data has come where it has revised down to 2.1% annual rate in the second quarter. So earlier estimation were 2.4%. So it has taken it down because of rising inflation and interest rate is going to be rise. So US Fed likely to give a dovish signal in the next interest rate hike. And from China, the August manufacturing PMI came at 49.7. So which is very good number from China, where the estimation were somewhere around 49.2. And composite PMI came at 51.3. And comes to the domestic market, so Indian IMD has provided a weather rainfall update where from June 1st to August 30, which is the major monsoon time where rainfall has been 628.7 mm. So it's 9% below normal. So this is going to be effect for RBI for the further rate hike in the coming interest rate hikes. And Mahindra Logistics appoints Saurab Taneja as a CFO with effective September 1st. And Natco Pharma makes a strategic investment of 2 million for Delaware-based ISCA, where ISCA is a business of pest control in agricultural business. So it has made a strategic investment. And NBCC close to bagging 8,000 crore order. So it's a comment from MD Pawan Gupta. And BHEL backs the order to set up a supercritical thermal power project in Lara. So this is from NTPC to set up a 800 megawatt thermal power project in Chhattisgarh. And Worldly investment in Asia PT looks to sell up to 12.56% stake in Sula Vineyard via block deal. And Zen Tech backs order worth 72.3 crore from Defense Ministry. And Ashish Kachalia is a ace investor from and he's backed Aeroflex Industries, likely to listing today at 10 a.m. And the other key news sources are RVNL. So it got a project worth of 256 crore from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation. And Fortis Healthcare to acquire Meadow Hospital for 225 crore. And Ajanta Pharma gets a final approval from US FDA for Toprimate extended release capsules. And DreamFox Services collaborates with the service provider to offer premium launches in doorsteps via Visa services. So these are the key news and comes to the derivative data. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty PCR is below 1, so 0.75 and 0.56 respectively. And maximum OI is placed around 19,400, 500 level and 400 level. And then put OI is around 300 to 200. So current Nifty is trading around 19,350 kind of level. So it's much closer. And Bank Nifty is 44,500, 45,000. And 44,000 is, and on the downside, 43,500 is a key Bank Nifty maximum COA is placed. And comes to the data Nifty index point of view. So index from the last this month, especially, it has formed a bearish candle. So it has taken that 4 months of consecutive bullish run in this particular August series. So so this is going from last 4 months. This is going to be so Nifty likely to give a negative return in this particular series. And comes to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart of the Nifty. So on last Thursday, it has made an attempt to break out about this trend line, downward sloping trend line, and also bounce from that 50 DMA, but it failed to hold that level and faces a strong resistance around 21 DMA. So earlier also it was facing us 21 DMA as a strong resistance. So at current juncture, it has taken a support around this trend line of previous low here and here also. So there is a strong support around this trend line, and there is a slight bounce back. However, at the current situation will be its 21 DMA will be the key level, that is around 19,450. So if it sustains above that 450 kind of level, then will Nifty likely to make a little bounce back, and it may head towards 19,600, 700 in the coming days. But however, this 19,450 21 DMA will be the key level to watch on the upside. On the downside, the immediate support is placed around 19,250. So if it breaks below this, so Nifty likely to made an next leg of breakdown in the which is next support will be around 19,000, which is a psychological mark on the Nifty. And Bank Nifty, so as we said in the earlier, this price cluster is a key level to watch, where Bank Nifty is having a very good support around this level, and it has taken a bounce back and currently trading sideways. But compared to Nifty, it's underperforming right now. So it's consolidating here in the it's 50 DMA and 100 DMA, which is red color moving averages, and this is a green is a 100-day moving average. So it's currently hovering around its moving 100 DMA and 15 DMA. So either side breakdown or breakout will be the key on the Bank Nifty. So breakout above 50 DMA is likely to push the index towards 45,000 and 45,000 and 46,000 in the coming days. On the downside, so it is, if it breaks below its 100 DMA 44,000, so next leg of support will be this broad range. So index likely to trade in this particular range. So in expiry point of view, so it's likely to trade within this range in coming session. So thank you for joining this webinar, and I would like to invite you all for the evening session, that is with MarketSmith India. So thank you for joining this session.